National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 893, effective until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Texas, Anderson, Henderson, Smith, Upshur, Van Zant, and Wood. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 893 has been issued from 3:40 p.m. Central Standard Time until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Texas, Anderson, Henderson, Smith, Upshur, Van Zant, and Wood.